Boot in the sense when the power is off, or when you suddenly stop the supply and again it's on. Once it's shut down and it's back on again, it will not lose the data. Okay, bachcho, am I clear, everybody? Am I clear, everyone? Yes. So this is the comparison table for RAM and ROM, bachcho. You can take a screenshot and type 1 in the chat box. Take a screenshot and type 1 in the chat box, bachcho. Okay. Now, shall we do few quizzes? Shall we do a few quizzes? Okay? Yes. Okay. But उससे पहले let me just revise one time. There are two types of memory, primary and secondary. Okay? So primary memory is where we call it as the main memory, which is directly accessed by CPU. How does it access, bachcho? How does the CPU directly access? So CPU requests the data or instructions. Okay? And this primary memory provides data really quickly, and the CPU processes the data and the output will be produced. Am I clear, everyone? Am I clear, bachcho? Crystal clear? Sure? All right. Chalo. Then we'll do the quizzes now. Shall we solve the quizzes now, bachcho? Okay. So which memory is permanent? Which memory is permanent? RAM, ROM, cache, or register? Which memory is permanent? What is the right answer, bachcho? Think wisely and respond in 3, 2, 1, go. Yes, everyone. Respond to the quiz, bachcho. Which memory is permanent? Now, this is a very important topic. Primary mein RAM and ROM is very important. Don't skip the quizzes related to this. ठीक है बच्चों? Last 10 seconds. Bachcho, please focus, respond, because this is a very, very, very important topic. You get it? Yeah. Good. Chalo. Now, what is that? Which memory is permanent, bachcho? Which memory is permanent? The right answer is option B. ROM, read-only memory. Read-only memory. Okay, next question. Which memory is temporary? Which memory is temporary? ROM, hard disk, CD, or RAM? What is the right answer, bachcho? Think wisely and respond in 3, 2, 1, and here you go.
मास्टर, ग्रैंड मास्टर, इसमें आपको सब चीज़ मिलेगा. आपको क्विज गलत नहीं करना है, ये याद रखिएगा. और हाँ, आपकी जानकारी बता दूँ, मेरा नाम है और मेरे चैनल का नाम है.
Respond, everybody. Which memory is temporary? I want answers from all of you, bachcho. Everyone, respond, bachcho. Last 10 seconds. Last 10 seconds. Which memory is temporary, bachcho? Which memory is temporary? Random access memory. RAM. Okay? And why is it temporary? Because once the power supply, yeah, once the machine is off and again it's on, it will not store the data. Okay? Next question. What happens to RAM data, random access memory data, when the computer is turned off? Okay, I am telling to my RAM data, bachcho. Okay, it's random access memory which is volatile. Okay, option A, saved. It is saved permanently. Option B, it is deleted. Option C, it doubles, or option D, it moves to ROM. What is the right answer? Bachcho, think wisely and respond in 3, 2, 1, and go.
जैसे मैं अभी गलत करूँगा, आपको देखिएगा कि ये गलत होने पे आप दिखाएगा.
Yes, everybody keep answering, bachcho. I want answers from all my students in the class. Everybody in the session respond to the quiz, bachcho. This is a very easy quiz. Start responding, everyone.
मेरी आई है आप लोग को दिखाने में, मैं कहा था वो.
Great job. What happens to the RAM data when the computer is turned off? बच्चों, last 10 seconds you are having. Last 10 seconds बच्चों फटाफट से finish कर लो बेटा quiz. Okay. So what happens to the data when the computer is turned off? But obviously it is deleted. Option B, it is deleted. Okay? Now, next question. ROM is important because wait, not this.
Yeah, this one. Dash memory
is also called as the main memory. Dash memory. Okay, this is a fill in the blank question, bachcho. Okay, you have to fill. Okay, you just have to choose the option. You don't have to type anything. Dash memory is also called as the main memory. Secondary, primary, external, or wisely and respond in 3, 2, 1, and go. Everyone, start. Respond, everyone. Bacho, I want answers from all the students in my class, okay? Very good. Last 10 seconds you have. Last 10 seconds, bacho. फटाफट से response दे दो everyone. Very nice, very nice, very nice, bacho. What is the right answer, everybody? What is the right answer, everyone? The right answer is option B, primary. So primary memory is also called as the main memory, like I already told you before. Okay, next. Which memory cannot be changed easily? Which memory you cannot change easily, bacho? RAM, ROM, hard disk, or pen drive? Changed easily, bacho. That means very difficult to remove. Okay, option A, RAM, option A, RAM, option B, ROM, option C, hard disk, or option D, pen drive. Okay, so I will tell you, random access memory it is. RAM is random access memory. ROM is what? Read only memory. That means only you can read the data but not touch it. We have then hard disk and pen drive. Okay, think wisely and respond in 3, 2, 1, and go. Bacha, respond everybody. I want answers from all the students in my class today. Yes, great going. Come on, bacho, keep doing, keep doing. This is the energy I want from you all. Great going so far, bacho. Great going so far.
Yes.
Perfect. Pakka. Last 10 seconds you're having, but last 10 seconds फटाफट से finish कर देना. फटाफट से finish कर देना. Which memory cannot be changed easily, बच्चों? Obviously, the right answer is option D, ROM. ROM is just read-only memory. That means you cannot change it. ठीक है? ROM का full form क्या है बच्चों? Read-only memory. मतलब उसको सिर्फ देख सकते हो, पढ़ सकते हो और उसको change कभी नहीं कर सकते. Okay, बच्चों? Now. We'll go to secondary memory, बच्चों. We'll understand about secondary memory. Are we up for it? Are we up for secondary memory, बच्चों? Everybody type 2 in the chat box. Type 2 in the chat box if you are all ready for the secondary memory. Okay. Now, just like our ROM, just like our ROM, secondary memory is also non-volatile. But you can modify and your data is not lost when you are shutting down the computer. Got it? Everybody, are you observing? Are you observing, everyone? Good.
Chalo.
Chalo. Are we on the same page so far, everybody? Are we on the same page so far, everyone?
Okay.
Okay.
So
So
secondary
secondary memory, mein what happens is the memory is non-volatile.
Okay.
Okay. Even if you shut down, your memory is not lost,
And it
and it has a larger storage capacity compared to your device.
Okay.
Okay.
Now we are having
so many secondary memory devices that you can connect from external.
Got it?
Got it?
Yes.
Yes.
But the only
disadvantage is it's slower than the primary memory.
It's slower
It's slower than what? Primary memory.
So which
Which is slower, bachcho? Primary or secondary?
Which is
Which is slower? Primary or secondary, bachcho?
Type
1 for primary, type 2 for secondary. Type 1 for primary and 2 for secondary.
Yes.
Yes.
So
So secondary is slower than primary. Correct. Okay. Now,
Here there is,
I'm telling you that they are used for backup and storage. Acha, okay, ma'am. Can you show me examples?
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes, these are your examples of your storage devices, बच्चों. आपने hard disk को देखा? Have you seen a hard disk, बच्चों?
Yes.
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 So these
So
are
these are a few storage devices starting with hard disk.
Okay.
Okay.
Starting with
what? Hard disk.
Okay.
What it does is
it stores
huge data.
Okay.
Hard disk. Even I have 2 hard disks.
Okay. It
stores a lot of data.
It is used
to manage the space.
Okay.
And
you
can use it connected with your laptops and all, and externally also you can connect and you can use it.
Bachcho,
Are you understanding? Are you understanding this?
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Good.
Good.
Then
We
have
solid state drive, SSD, memory card.
Okay.
Okay.
Now this is
faster than the hard disk,
but
but its storage is a little bit limited. Its storage is a little bit limited.
Then we are having
optical discs, and magnetic tapes. They were used in the very back then.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Then you are
having USB.
Do you see
a pen drive here, Bachcha? Do you see a pen drive here?
Yes, this
USB flash drive is easy to use, easy to carry. You can just carry it in your pocket.
Are you
getting it, Bachcho?
Are you getting it?
But you know there is one disadvantage.
There is.
Do you see this? How many devices have you seen? What are the devices that you saw? Type 1 if you saw hard disk, type 2 if you saw solid state drive, type C if you have seen optical disc like CDs, type 4 if you have seen a flash pen drive like this, type 5 if you have seen memory card, type 6 if you have seen magnetic tape. Okay?
So type
like if you have seen more than 2 or 3, let's say you saw 1, let's say you saw 3, let's say you saw 5. Match it this way. Let me see.
3, 4, 5.
Good.
3.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay.
Very good. Very good. Okay, bachcho. Now it's important for you all to understand that, see, primary memory, what happens there? CPU directly. What does in primary memory, what will happen? CPU is directly connected to the memory.
But here,
it is not accessible.
Okay,
A CPU cannot access the secondary memory directly.
So
what will happen is when you put this data, the data is first into primary memory, okay, and then from there we can convert. And where it goes in primary memory, bachcho? To the RAM. To the where? RAM. Am I clear, everyone? Am I clear, everybody? Yes, no, maybe? Good. Now, after this, okay, it has moved now. Okay, this CPU will process the data and then you will get the output. Okay, but it is not like the CPU will directly access it. Okay, then I'm going to share. See, you can take a screenshot of this or you can even write it down, bachcho. So secondary memory is storing the data permanently, just like your ROM. Okay, but secondary memory is having large capacity, unlike the laptops that we use does not have that high capacity. Okay?
To store.
Then data must be loaded into primary memory for processing. Obviously, right? So before you are processing it, you have to store it into the primary. primary memory. So these points are clear, right? Yes, no, maybe, ma'am. Yes, no, maybe. What? Yes, सभी के तरफ से हाँ है. So we will proceed now. Okay, I am asking you about the units of memory. बच्चों, bit. Every zero and computers is made up of zeros and
चीज का
ones.
नोट
Computers are made up of what? Zero and one. And now every one smallest bit. Okay, it is a bit. Every smallest one is a bit. Okay. Now 8 bits together make a byte. 8 bits together make a what, bacho? Can you repeat in the chat box? 8 bits of what? Byte. Very good. Now, then we are having kilobytes, then megabyte, then gigabyte, or then terabyte. Are you getting it, bacho? Are you getting it, everyone? So this is the graph. Okay. So lowest is the bit, highest is the terabyte over here. Clear everyone, bacho? Clear everyone? Shall we solve a few more quizzes, bacho? Shall we solve a few more quizzes, bacho? Yay, that's amazing. Which device is used to store the data permanently? Which device is used to store the data permanently, bacho? Option A, RAM. Option B, hard disk. Option C, CPU. Or option D, monitor. Which device is used to store the data permanently? Okay, respond in 3, 2, 1, and go. Bacho, respond everybody. I want answers from all the students in my class, okay? Everyone in my class, stop chatting, start answering, bacho. Stop chatting, start answering, everybody. Yay, that's good. That's good. Very good. Last 10 seconds, bacho. Which device is used to store data permanently, bacho? Yes, everyone. फटाफट से response कर दो बच्चों. फटाफट से. Very good. Very, very good. Which device is used to store data permanently? Which device is used to store the data permanently? Bacho, the right answer is option B, hard disk. Option B, hard disk. Okay. RAM is not बच्चों. RAM is random access memory. एक बार switch off होते ही it will turn off, it will delete the data. Okay. Next question. Which of the following is the smallest unit of data? I'm asking what is the smallest unit of data. Okay. Think wisely and respond in 3, 2, 1, and go, बच्चों. Respond, everyone. Respond, बच्चों. I want answers from all the students in the class. Come on, बच्चों. Quick, 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 quick. Yep. Last 10 seconds you are having, बच्चों. Last 10 seconds you are having. बच्चों आज के क्लास में सिर्फ मस्ती. ठीक है? It's not a very difficult topic, a very small topic I'm teaching. So we are literally having fun learning this. Aren't you guys having fun learning this topic today?
यहाँ पे कौन कर
Tell me. This is a very small topic, बच्चों. ये बहुत छोटू सा, एकदम छोटू सा topic है ना? Yes, ma'am. Very good. So which of the following is the smallest unit of data, bachcho? It's a bit. B-I-T. Bit. Okay? Yes. Now I'll show you this memory hierarchy, bachcho. There is a memory hierarchy. Okay, everybody, just see this. Okay? Now, we don't discuss about registers today. We are not going to discuss about registers anytime near. And the territory memory also. Let's not discuss about these two things. Let's discuss about primary, secondary memory only. Okay? Listen, बच्चों, अच्छे से सुनना, ठीक है? Now, primary memory, that is RAM हो या ROM हो, they are high in cost, of course, but they are fast and they are small in size, correct? But they are faster and costlier also. Okay, as you go from secondary to primary, faster and costly. but from primary to secondary, it's slower and cheaper. Okay? Do you see the pattern, bachcho? You can take a screenshot and type 1 in the chat box. You can take a screenshot of this slide and type 1 in the chat box, bachcho.
मैम ने बोली कि उसका पालन भी करना है.
Okay, bachcho? Done? Very good. Very, very good. Okay? Now, listen everybody. Listen. Secondary memory are externally connected. Always, bachcho, understand that secondary memory is always externally connected. Okay? I told you, primary memory is directly accessed by the CPU because it is already a part. It is already a part. Okay? Already a part of our system. That is why it is called as main memory. Okay, that is why it is called as main memory. But bachcho, okay, is main memory mein, yes, there are two types, random access memory and read-only memory. Okay, but random access memory is like your cache data. I will tell you what a cache data is. For example, as a human being, we are having two types of memory. One memory that can store everything. हमारा ब्रेन में लेट्स से आपका बर्थडे याद है, ठीक है, वो याद होना एकदम परमानेंट है. आपका बर्थडे चेंज नहीं हो सकता है ना. आपका बर्थडे चेंज हो सकता है, आपकी मम्मी का बर्थडे चेंज हो सकता है, आपके पापा का बर्थडे चेंज हो सकता है बच्चों, नहीं है ना. तो वो क्या हो गया, रीड ओनली मेमोरी. ये दिन को बर्थडे है तो बर्थडे है, दैट्स इट, एंड आपको याद है, ठीक है, दैट इज इन योर मेमोरी, विच इज रॉम, रीड ओनली मेमोरी. समझ रहे हो बच्चों? अब समझ रहे हो आप सभी? यस और नो बच्चों? यस. आपका बर्थडे का डेट याद रखना is read only memory. क्यों? आपका बर्थडे will not change ever. Your birthday will not change ever. But random access memory is something, for example, 2 दिन पहले आपने क्या ड्रेस पहना था बच्चों? What did you wear 2 days back? What did you eat 1 week back? These at that moment you will know. But if I ask you after a few refreshings, you will not remember. Do you remember what were you doing yesterday at the same time? Were you biting your nails? Were you rubbing your eyes? Were you washing your face? What? You did that at that moment of time. Okay? You will not remember how it, what did you do today or maybe tomorrow or maybe 2 to 3 weeks back afterwards. Right? So that is called as random access memory. Do you get it, bachcho? Yes. So RAM means what? Random access memory is like doing your daily course. You don't remember the timestamp. You don't remember what you had 2 months back, 3 months back. But it was there back then. But it is not there now because today is a fresh day. You have to plan your day in RAM today. Okay. But ROM is like something existing, which is a fact. And you cannot modify it. ROM is a fact and you cannot modify it. For example, like your birthday. Getting it? Then we have the secondary memory. Secondary memory is externally connected. Like these devices. These devices are connected outside. Am I correct, bacho? They are externally connected. Yes or no, everyone? Do you agree with me? But they are permanent also. They are extra, but they are permanent also. You're getting it, bacho? It's not like RAM. It's like the extended version of the ROM. But you can modify the data. Got it, everybody? You can modify the data. For example, let's say today your friend is sitting with you in your classroom, along with you in the bench. Okay? Today, yes, you remember, okay, this one. Tomorrow, if there is any other change also, you should remember that. Correct? So this is like, yes, you get adjusted to the updates. Got it? Okay, एक और क्विज है, कर ले बच्चों, एक और क्विज है, कर ले. Yes. You want to try